tired of me doing sit down videos, but I'm just putting on the rest of my jewelry real quick because I'm going on this. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm just putting on my bangles real quick. 2 on this arm. I'm doing 3 on this arm today. I'll show y'all the fit in a little bit. I'm debating if I should put on like my little clear fake glasses. I don't know how that's gonna look. I'm turning this light on. So I don't know. Does it make the look better? Look better. I don't know what happened to that butterfly chain that I bought, but I have not seen it since I wore it. So, but no glasses. I feel like it looks so weird. Okay, let me show you the fit. Real quick, cause y'all gotta see this. Okay, little 360. Period. Y'all see that? You see that little boot? Hey. Okay. Poke it out. Poke it out. Okay, look. So this shirt, Charlotte Russe, it's just old and it's a crop top. Then I got this dress at H&M that I showed in my haul in yesterday's video, so I have that linked above. Have on these red high top Chuck Taylors. Have on the red scrunchie in the back, and then have on red lips. These lashes are the Kiss ones, or the wispy ones. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, it's the Kiss, so wispy ones. And then we have a nice little red lip. And I'm going to carry this, my Kors purse, this white one. And then I have on the Apple Watch and my bangles. Some of these don't even have charms on them anymore because they fell off. But I really wish I knew where my butterfly necklace was, because then I can throw it up there. But I'm excited because me and Bae are going to go see Light, and then we're going to go to Cheesecake. So I'm excited because he's never been to Cheesecake. So gotta put baby boy on because he's missing out. But I just wanted to show y'all, come up and show y'all how good I look. And I really like this dress. So if you got an H&M near you, go get this dress. And I tell you, this dress is only $24.99. $24.99, baby. And I was gonna do like the button down with it, but then I realized like I have to zip this and then button it, and then like put pants on or something underneath, and then that was just doing too much. But yeah, I like it. Are these new?
I bet I do.
No, I never seen these ones.
What?
I never seen these ones.
You like them?
Yes, I like them. They look like a hashtag. Yeah, I Cheesecake. We didn't get to go see the lights because it was packed and the lights sold out.
And I got pissed the hell off.
So now we just at Cheesecake. We waited outside for 20 minutes, but it was freezing out there.
I was mad as fuck, yo.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to bleep out all y'all cusswords.
Are you putting this on YouTube?
Yes. It just laid there, y'all.
Oh.
You so tall. I'm so short.
Huh?
I'm so short.
Oh, I fucked with that.
We're still in town center looking at the little lights. Because, you know, we couldn't go see the lights. I'm home now, y'all. Lipstick gone. It's all in the mask. Poor mask. But it's cool because I was cute. Me and Jalen took some pictures, so I insert them somewhere. I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna edit this video, go to bed. Oh my god, my fit looks so cute today. I felt so pretty. And look, me and Jalen match unofficially. Y'all gonna see in these pictures, but I just told him, I didn't even tell him what color I was wearing or none of that. Right now I'm taking off my jewelry. I didn't tell him what color. I was wearing none of that, and we end up matching. Like, I kid you not, like 9 times out of 10, if me and Jalen are hanging out, we always end up matching somehow, somewhere, and it be so unintentional. Like, we just be in the same color scheme. Does that make sense? Like, that's still like kind of matching, is it? Was it still considered that matching? I'm running my mouth too much. I'm ready to get out of this dress. Ooh, girl, cause that we went to Cheesecake and. Okay, so let me tell you, I got this orange chicken, but I took it back because I think it's nasty. First of all, it was like lukewarm, so who wants some lukewarm chicken? And then on top of that, the chicken was dry, the carrots were nasty, the rice was nasty. Like, it was, I don't know about y'all, but like, Cheesecake don't be doing that for me no more. But the Buffalo Blast is always a hit. So I had those and Buffalo Blast. But I'm gonna take off my makeup, take off these lashes, and go to bed and edit this video. So I'm gonna end this video out here. Well, after I get done talking, I'm gonna insert the pictures of me and Jalen. Then I'm gonna end the video. So I wanna say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I don't know what these vlogs are gonna look like moving forward, but we're almost done with 12 days of Vlogmas, which is I'm kind of sad about, but kind of happy about because posting every day is not for me. So, like I said, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all the way to and back. Be safe, be positive, and I love you.
So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways.